Hello everyone, today we will introduce the single-use linear cutter and accessories from Victor Medical. We will mainly introduce the component names and usage steps. First, let's introduce the names of the components and accessories. Release button, firing knob, shoulder, identification line, anvil, orange shipping cover, reload. Now, let's move on to the usage steps. Please select the appropriate reload height based on the tissue thickness. Both the excessive thickness or thinness of the tissue will result in poor stable formation. First, press the release button to open the instrument. Remove the orange shipping cover from the cartridge. There are two ways to use the instrument. One is to use the instrument's hinge design, convenient for one-hand operation. Place the tissue appropriately. Then close the instrument. The other one is fully open the instrument, positioning the cartridge side and anvil side accordingly. First close the rear hinge. Then close the instrument. Until you hear a click, the instrument is fully closed. After the instrument is closed, you can flip the firing knob to either side to prepare for firing. Hold the front of the instrument with 1 or 2 fingers. Place your other hand's thumb or palm at the back of the firing knob. Push the firing knob forward with force until it reaches the bottom. The firing is now completed. Caution: do not flip the firing knob during the firing process, as this may lead to mechanical malfunction and result in failed anastomosis. If the instrument is not fully closed before firing, it may result in poor stable formation and lead to bleeding and other complications. After completing the firing, pull the firing knob back to its original position. Gently press the release button at the back of the instrument and remove it from the surgical site. Check the stapling condition of the anastomosis. Change new reload. When replacing the staple cartridge, first separate the cartridge side and anvil side. Hold the cartridge tabs. After pulling the staple cartridge upwards, remove it from the instrument. Inserting the new cartridge into the cartridge side at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Then, press down firmly to insert the staple cartridge into the instrument. Remove shipping cover after the cartridge is fully seated. The staple cartridge inside the instrument can move up and down. The loading is complete.